The Trinamool members who've resigned are holding a press conference. Let's listen in.
Over to him the individual letters of resignation of all 6 ministers from the Council of Ministers. Then we have come to the Rashtrapati Bhavan and we have handed over to the President of India, Sri Pranab Mukherjee, a letter signed by Mukul Roy, Chairman of our parliamentary party, withdrawing our support to the UPA 2 government headed by Dr. Manmohan Singh. The President has accepted our letter of withdrawal of support. We thanked both of them for receiving our letters. This is all we have to say.
Did you ask for a protest? Did you ask for a protest?
No, we did not. Beyond what I just told you, we have not said anything extra. We tendered our resignation and we have given our letter of withdrawal of support from the union government. Beyond that, we have not said anything.
What did PM say to you? What was the PM's reaction, sir?
What PM said to us or did not say to us is confidential information and confidential talk between the Prime Minister and his just resigned Council of Ministers. Thank you.
All right, those were the Trinamool ministers there speaking shortly after they've tendered their resignations in front of the Prime Minister. With us is comments editor of Mail Today newspaper, Dr. Manoj Joshi, with us for more on this story. Dr. Joshi, how has this entire episode left the Trinamool looking? They plan to hold a dharna now at the end of this month at Jantar Mantar. How have they ended up looking?
Well, you know, ostensibly you can say they have taken a stand on principle. They have a particular view on foreign direct investment. They have a particular view on fuel pricing. But I think people are also going to ask is this party only about protest, or is this party also about governance? Meaning this party is the party that is running the government of West Bengal. But what we find is that this party seems to be in permanent agitation, in a permanent agitation mode. And this is something which is a bit disquieting for everyone, that it's all right, one thing to have your principles, but it's quite another thing to constantly be flaunting them and simply show no signs that you are into you have any kind of constructive ideas, constructive suggestions, some element of pragmatism, which is so important in any kind of governance.